Dear student, let us solve a chemical engineering problem using matrix inversion method in Excel. The problem statement is given here, and the mole fraction of each component at different location is given in pictorial form. Through the material balance, we have formed force algebraic equation. The same is converted into AX equal to B matrix. Now our duty is we need to find D1, B1, D2, B2. Let us convert that X1, X2, X3 and X4. After forming AX equal to B matrix, let us feed the data in the Excel. These are the data for A and B. It is same as what I have given here as D1, B1, D2, B2. So once we found AX equal to B matrix, multiply both sides by A inverse. A inverse multiplied by A will result in I matrix, and I matrix multiplied by X will be X. The right hand side, A inverse B. So I have to find A inverse matrix, then I have to multiply with B. Let me find A inverse. To find A inverse in the Excel, the A inverse matrix will have same size as A. Therefore, let us select 4 rows and 4 columns in the Excel sheet. Keep the cursor at the first cell, don't enter. Type equal to, then type MI. Select M inverse and select the matrix that you want to invert. Close the bracket. Then type Control Shift Enter. We have obtained A inverse matrix. Then we need to find X value. That is nothing but multiplication of A inverse multiplied by B. For that, the resulting matrix will have the size of 4 plus 1. Select 4 plus 1 matrix. Keep the cursor at the first cell. Type equal to M matrix multiplication. Select the first matrix, comma, B matrix, that is second matrix. Close the bracket. Again, Control Shift Enter. It is our solution through the matrix inversion method. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.